Flavor is everything, right? You guys love super sweet corn, right? That's the corn that everybody likes.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Pearson Packaging Systems.
Twin City Foods have been here downtown Ellensburg since '68. This facility has been producing peas, corn, and carrots for that long. And we want to make sure that we extend our doors to the community so they know what we're doing. We've got scales behind you. The carrot trucks come in, we weigh them, and then they pull in back into our process over here where they unload. Right now we're looking at 1 million pounds a day of carrots. We're hoping for a 17-day harvest to get what we need for the year, about 1,500 pounds in each tote. We inspect every tote to make sure it's good quality. The tote fills will give the samples to the team members. They will grade, test. They have different tests that they have to run. So these are the totes that are coming out from the line. They weigh them, make sure they have the right tag, and then they put them in the freezer. This is only the north side of the freezer. I can hold about 45 million pounds of product. We can run just corn, just carrots. We also have medleys where it has the green beans. And green beans are processed in Michigan for us. That's our sister company in Michigan. We have 2 facilities in Washington, 1 in Michigan. They do the green beans and they rail car it to us. You know, you see the same thing, you see the same equipment, pumps, motors, but the people. The people are what drive coming to work and enjoying being here. Manufacturing's hard, long hours, tough work. So we do try to bring some enjoyment out of doing what we do here.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Pearson Packaging Systems.